What are some effective remedies to stop hair frizz after washing?
Hello and welcome to our hair care tutorial. Today, we are going to tackle a common issue, hair frizz after washing. If you often find yourself dealing with unruly, frizzy hair after taking a shower, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some effective remedies to ensure your hair remains smooth and frizz-free after each wash.
What causes hair frizz after washing?
Before we jump into the remedies, it's important to understand what causes frizz. Hair frizz after washing is primarily caused by lack of hydration in your hair, as well as damage due to heat styling, chemicals, or even environmental factors. When your hair is dehydrated, the cuticle, the outermost layer of your hair strand, lifts, allowing moisture from the air to swell the hair strand, resulting in frizz.
How can I hydrate my hair to prevent frizz?
The key to combating frizz is to keep your hair well hydrated and protected. Here are some tips. 1. Use a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Avoid hair products that contain sulfates and alcohols as they can dry out your hair. Instead, opt for hair products specifically designed to moisturize and repair. 2. Deep conditioning treatments. A weekly deep conditioning treatment can significantly improve the hydration of your hair, making it less prone to frizz. 3. Cold water rinse. Rinsing your hair with cold water just before you step out of the shower helps to seal the hair cuticles, keeping the moisture in and the frizz out.
What other techniques can I use to stop hair frizz?
Hydration is the main focus, but there are other techniques you can use to stop hair frizz. 1. Avoid towel drying. Towels can create friction and frizz. Instead, gently squeeze excess water from your hair and use a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to dry it. 2. Use a wide tooth comb. After washing, avoid brushes and use a wide tooth comb to detangle. It's gentler on the hair, reducing the risk of damage and frizz. 3. Use a leave-in conditioner or serum. Apply a leave-in conditioner or a smoothing serum after washing. These products can lock in moisture, smooth the hair cuticles, and provide a protective barrier against frizz. We hope that these tips help you manage your frizzy hair after washing. Remember, the key to frizz-free hair is keeping it well hydrated and minimizing damage. Don't forget to use moisturizing hair products, avoid harsh towel drying, and use a leave-in conditioner or serum. Happy hair care, and here's to saying goodbye to frizz.